Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now in today's episode, I've got a nice laid back Windows XP related video for you all. Because today we're going to be downgrading from Windows XP back to Windows Me. Yes, we're going to be doing the opposite of something that we have done a whole lot on this channel, Windows upgrades. That's kind of a staple video of mine. I've done so many of those. Now, first I want to answer the question, why would you want to do this, especially with Windows Me? Well, maybe you wouldn't want to do this with Windows Me, but if you were running Windows 98 and you had upgraded to Windows XP and you realized, oh crap, I still need real mode DOS support, which XP doesn't have. Well, good news, not all is lost because Microsoft made it extremely easy to downgrade back to your previous Windows install. And you do that by going into the control panel and add or remove programs. Now, it goes without saying that you had to actually have done an upgrade from Windows 9X to Windows XP. If you did a clean install and formatted your drive, well, you're out of luck. But if you did an upgrade, this option will appear in Add or Remove Programs, Windows XP Uninstall. Now, it's kind of worded, kind of a bit weird here because the program name is Windows XP Uninstall and then you have to remove it. You have to remove the uninstall, so it's kind of like a double negative. But anyways, that's besides the point. So when you click on Change/Remove, it asks you, what do you want to do? Uninstall Windows XP or remove the backup of my previous operating system? So yes, this also gave you the ability to do the opposite. If you were confident that you were never going to have to revert back to your previous Windows install, you could remove your backup and free up a bit of hard drive space. But we're going to go with the first option here and click on Continue. And then it's going to say, are you sure you want to uninstall Windows XP and restore your previous operating system? We're going to say, yes we do. It's something that I should mention. On this computer, this is the Dell Latitude D610 that came with Windows XP pre-installed. So you would never have to do what we're doing right now on this computer. To set up for this video, I formatted the drive, installed Windows Me, and then upgraded it to Windows XP. So yeah, just kind of a brief side note there that I found kind of funny. Now, one of the neat aspects of this is this boot screen right here that just says Microsoft Windows. The XP is cut off, even though it is essentially the XP boot screen. And also, the progress bar there is gray instead of blue or green, which I just find really interesting because you don't, I think that's one of the only times that you see that, is when you're doing this Windows uninstall here. And so here you go. It loads into the low color mode Windows XP installer here. So at this point, you just want to sit back, let it do its thing, and it will remove Windows XP, restart once more, and there's Windows Me. And there we are. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much all there is to it. And if you weren't convinced, I mean, here's WinVer. We are running Windows Me. We can go to my computer, do what you want to do on Windows Me. You know, it's really just as if we had never installed Windows XP, as I said. So yeah, definitely a really quick video today. This did not take as long as I thought it was going to, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this one nonetheless. This was actually a video suggestion by, I believe, a couple of you guys, and I thought, you know what? That would be cool to demonstrate. So if you guys like this one, be sure to give it a thumbs up, get subscribed down below for more videos coming every single week, usually a lot longer than this. And as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.